What's up, guys? We are in Everglades City and they have a lot of airboat area wherein you can ride there. It's for maybe like how many people? Maybe 10. So yeah, that's the airboat. We'll find out how much is the cost for this airboats. It's really hot right now here in Florida. You can see there's a they are famous here because there's a lot of crocodiles. You see there's a statue over there. American flag is waving. And yeah, here's the ticket prices. You can come here in Everglades and try this airboat. Prices are as follows. So that's the prices. You can see $59.99 for adult, $32.50 small buggy tour, $27. They also have animal sanctuary. And here's my boss. What?
Did you hear that engine?
Huh?
Did you hear that boat?
Yes, it's like a airplane engine.
What did I say? Like a V8 engine.
Really?
Yeah, look at the engine right there.
I don't know how to figure out if it's what engine.
Here. Damn.
It's really
How much is it? See this punch line?
the what?
See this punch right there? See 1, 2, 3, 4?
Uh-huh.
That's one side. And you'll see it's like a shape of a V.
Ah, okay. So that's how you
That's a blue.
distinguish.
Yeah.
Is it still far or it's coming down?
I don't know.
Are we gonna wait for it or are we gonna go?
Stand by to show you.
So these are the big propeller. And this is what you